President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has certified House Bill number 8418 as urgent. The proposed measure would grant the president special powers to remove or reduce the excise tax on oil. The move comes as fuel prices in the Philippines continue to rise amid volatile global oil markets brought about by escalating tensions in the Middle East. On the other hand, Malacanang has assured that the government has sufficient funds to respond to the crisis caused by the conflict abroad, particularly in terms of rising oil prices. Because of this, the government said borrowing money is not currently part of its plans.
Sa ngayon po ay wala pong napabanggit patungkol po dyan. Kinausap po natin at tinanong po natin to mismo kay Secretary Go ng Department of Finance. Ngayon po ay walang balak. Sa ngayon po ay hindi pa po napag-iisipan kung uutang po.
Earlier, the government announced the distribution of a 5,000 peso assistance for the transport sector as well as fisher folk and farmers. Amid these developments, Vice President Sara Duterte criticized the current situation, saying she does not see any action from the administration even though, according to her, there was already a threat of war as early as 2022. This claim was rebutted by Malacanang. The palace said that if this was known as early as 2022, why was it not disclosed to authorities and to the public?
Kung siya may alam as early as 2022 at hindi man lang niya ito binanggit diretso sa ating mga kababayan, sino ang hindi nagtrabaho? Sino ang walang ginawa? Tandaan po natin, ipinagmamalaki niya meron siyang impormasyon patungkol dito. Hindi po ba obligasyon niya bilang Vice Presidente na ito ay ipaalam sa ating otoridad? Para man lang ang ating mga kababayan, katulad na sinasabi niya, ay nakapaghanda. Kung hindi niya to sinabi, definitely, this is a breach of public trust.
Meanwhile, the palace said Filipinos in California should be better prepared following a warning from the FBI about a possible retaliation by Iran in California.
Hindi po ito pwedeng isawalang bahala o tulugan. Kailangan po na maging alerto rin po tayo kung ano man ang mangyayari sa ating mga kababayan sa California.
Kenneth Pasyente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.